Hello friends, in this video I will guide you how you can convert any image to editable text. I have this image of a text which I will convert. You can see this is a PNG file. Open a Microsoft Word file. Make sure you have installed Microsoft Office 2016 or above version. Copy the image and paste it in the Word document. Now save it as a PDF file. I am saving it on desktop. Here is PDF file. Now get a clean copy of Word and click on Open and select the PDF file which we created. Word will automatically ask you to convert it into editable text, which we want. Click on OK, and here we got the editable text of that image. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.